Bill Garnett here, DeNooyer Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive. Here to talk to you about tire rotation. Whether you're driving a gasoline car or a big diesel truck or an EV vehicle, right? Tire rotation is one of the most important things to do outside of an oil change in the vehicle. And the reason being, obviously, the tires, the price of tires these days is one of the biggest investments, maintenance investments you're going to do on a vehicle. Now, average vehicle, you may have the tires on it from 3 to 4 years, some a little longer, some a little shorter, depending on the type of tires there are, performance rating and whatnot. But either way, to get the most use out of those tires, we would recommend getting them rotated about every 5,000 miles or every 6 months. And you can do that alongside with the oil change or separately if you like, especially on the EV because there's no oil changes. So at any rate, come try us out, DeNooyer Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive, so we can make sure that your tires are rolling what they should. Bill Garnett, DeNooyer Chevrolet.